Gichokera na nteto nkuruki kithomo ni kimwe kia biria bigwatirite mugongo jwa nthiguru kumanya na bo ni kithagira gikigikwa na thirikari na kinya giategwa kenda gitikangaratane indi bo bwikarika aja Meru na kinya omea Meru kithomo ni kionekete kuringika na ori imwe cha chukuru cha sekondari chionekaga kuthithia bwega ingi kinya iri ugwatine bwa kuingwa imwe cha chukuru aja Meru iria chiari nchamba chia gukirwa na ndeni iringikete na kwina magi kithomo arito nabo bakioneka kuthama cukuru iji imwe igetigwa ugwatine bwa kuingwa kumane na kunyia kwa aritwa na arekeri imwe cha cukuru iji bate gukinya kinyegana mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Phineas Imana netanite nacho aja Meru na kinya akienda kumenya inathineri amona guchwa ntaira cha thina iji giki ni gichunche kia biri kia rugono rwa mwanya mwerekera jwa kithomo.
Babata kumenya ni ate gukiria kana kuringa nthi cukuru tingo ya muntu mwe indi ni kundi mwanya biro ikundi kina ngwira kigairi kenda utira cukuru ni ukira kana ni kwa
kubye cukuru bwa yani ingwe ya number of stakeholders kumakere achiari arimo atongeria kinyaba kisiasa aritoa kinyabo na inya community at large.
BOM kana Board of Management ni kundi kira kithera kithuri kikurungamira cukuru nthitha itumi kia bondi ni utigira cukuru ni kwithira igeta na mbere boya na njira yo mithereria njira na kinya kuria ntaira kukethira kwina thina no ntubo murio na muthutira yuetiki mwarimu munene wa cukuru ya St. Luke's na ututariria kuri cukuru imwe na indi chithaira chichinda na iraitebi okira muntu akienda kwithira ai member
competition in terms of maybe with a by position in the school kwena mantu ja kwenda ikwithira buri BOM members na baraba kwenda maybe kwenda ikwithira BOM members lakaba kwenda the school mama bakwenda tukwithwa bagito ambiwe member kweta no bagethora bare agu bagenda na Nteto cha school na story cha school maybe they have no ideas about the school.
Mrs. Rufus Meleti akiwa ndeni ya cukuru imwe kwa member ba board bethagira nindi baitikatika mwarimu mwankakare mwakurwamira cukuru
kinyethwa ni ciethairwo ciina board of management kwi board cia gutumbura arimu ibaka like they want to manage the principal but oni mbethiritwo ndina very supportive board but in the other schools have been sometimes unaona board inaingilia madam anashindwa ama principal anashindwa kuperform na when I'm not mentally stable and happy about the environment I'm working in because of pressure ya maybe the stakeholders, even the performance will not be good. Kabuti kanunka ya mwene
kuthamwa kwa arimu na wikwande ni cukuru cha kuraya ni thina ingi
rirapa chenja ya arimu frequently kabla ushike hata culture ya shule unakuwa umeondolewa kenoka. I'm happy that the localization iliisha because wareta wa okay sometimes in other schools what I've seen mtu ametoka mbali ana travel weekend achoka Monday evening either high school Jumanne, Jumatano, Alhamisi, Friday na udhwania mantu ya kwawe kiongo gitithairwo kiriao
asiasa bakionekana ndi kolotwa na utindikira kwe watwanya ndeni ambondi na boti kenda ukuria cukuru kana kithomo indi ni njira ya kuria tuburio to siasa ontobu bokiringithia bukatha cukuru ira nyingi
wa bange kwena lot of politics. Politicians are being consulted to even to apportion the positions. Key members who are wanted to be either chairman and members of the BOM.
Kwena political influence muno ki witi nambere wa machukuru nuntu kendira kwena asiasa siasa bamwe otwikan iba bako guide kinya principles bamwe por about decisions ni ba make imwe ni kwa infiltrated by politics na kinya appointment ya board of management either very critical kiko witana mbere bwa chukuru lakini ukethira anasiasa bamwe iba kwenda inya contribute ni board members bai kubaka appoint wa chukuru
itare gitiye wa Kiambarua urakinya ni munini wa mukarigite wa mbondi ndene ya chukuru e montere chatiania aitariria memba bamwe bethagira ni ndi baitalawa ende mukai batino menyo botungeria chukuru
ikwithirite myaka ethirite kinya guchala kwa board cha school kukethia kwina a lot of interferences in the community kuma sponsor politicians community chiongwa ikethira chie compete bethi ba waka a member ba board lakini antu barana bo bareterwa board ine batikumba kwa ilia the new dynamics kana mekarie emero ya kithomo
mpumi chekerio irende nyonto bonge botomane ndi harito baka koronjira wita chukuru ndita na kinyati aribo baka chabere ya baikende ya chukuru
of course factors ile nyingi tuma anaba machukuru nemwe basically performance chukuru ya kwetherete perform boya urito kuona aritoni bakumachugurira betete kuria chukuru ingi nonto at the end of it all academic performance is very critical kwa thina ya chukuru kuria kubweja boya nemwe ile contribute chukuru chethera itinana
awa chambogita ni kintu kingi kira kiringethete bunene kwa chukuru ndene ya Meru na kinyome ya Meru.
Influence of drugs. And drugs have infiltrated in schools. They were not drugs in the form of even irio, biscuits, tremende, megatene, kwa waritwa ibadoge twin drugs.
Non to communities cheto choyurite kinya drugs. Na chayo drugs level ya school drop out non to barbara otumira ndawa cha kulevya kethi nchobi na kinyabangi tha ibangi bara bometumira ibaba ingi muno bakethira nende kinyapongwa namba zira ntukuwa ichumire these mineral level schools itekara nara no kaba kauma chukuru nyon tubwa drugs
weya kwa chukuru cha kwana nicho discos kwa yaniana weya na kinyakuni ya ngarama endebu bwedira ni endebu kitumana kia bainge medo bateka menye bukedira bukiringetha kia chukuru cha kurara na bone ndi boyaniana chiari bamwe nontuwa wachembecha ache wiki anabo chukuru cha kurara baba ike cha kwana
birabia tuma ana nabo benda achiari benda wiki ana nabo ndiskuira nontu bora kithomo kithirite kina ngarama nyingi muno ende achiari baba ingi bakethira bamo batikumba gwa fund kithomo kia boarding schools chukuru nyingi chiaga marando ya maingi thirikari yongwere mwa support schools ere mo support school na achiari bari mo support chukuru ire ikare mo ikuran nende ukethira mwana bora chukuru yeka aritwa chukuru kinyabatirite fi ana ni kabakekara bakinga wari onthe nontu no mwanka bari mbecha kenda bakara chukuru
naru tukethira nende tukiura kianta ira cha kuthiria thini no chokaniria chukuru chietu Phineas Imana mwerekera ya kithomo.